Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas in the microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a few small 6-inch tortillas, about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, and any fillings you love, like cooked chicken or beans. Make sure you have a microwave-safe plate or a couple of paper towels ready. This method is incredibly quick and perfect for a speedy snack or light meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's assemble our delicious quesadilla. Place 1 tortilla on your microwave-safe plate or paper towel. Sprinkle approximately 2 tablespoons of your favorite shredded cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. If you're adding fillings, like cooked vegetables or a spoonful of salsa, place them on top of the cheese. Then, carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over, creating a neat half-moon shape, ready for cooking. It's time to microwave your quesadilla to cheesy perfection. Place your assembled quesadilla in the microwave and cook on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. Keep a close eye on it. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is fully melted and gooey and the tortilla feels warm and pliable. Cooking times can vary slightly depending on your microwave's wattage, so adjust as needed. Remember, it will be quite hot when you take it out. Once your quesadilla is perfectly melted, carefully remove it from the microwave. It will be hot, so let it cool for just a few seconds before you handle it. For easier eating, you can cut your quesadilla into 2 or 3 neat triangles using a pizza cutter or a knife. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings, perhaps some fresh salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or creamy guacamole. Enjoy your quick and easy microwave quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.